guys are the only reason we're able to be where we're at. So that's why I thank you guys every day. Same with you moderators.
Well, Coach, that follows under the it's about damn time thing.
Yeah, exactly. That's why I'm still rolling though the $350 Chinese Rolex, right? Because I don't want my money to leave me ever again. So I bought the house and each of us a car. I'm done. That's it. No, nothing. No toys, no boats, no, right? No yachts. That's it.
Ted's allowance isn't going up anytime soon, that's for sure.
No, that's it. And I got to get a new set of golf clubs that I've been using for 15 years. I've got Callaway X20s that I bought used from Callaway's outlet site, seriously, like 15 or 18 years ago. And half the clubs are missing because every time I loaned them to Chad's friends, they'd come back missing a club. So I might invest in like $1,400 in golf clubs for myself.
That's a necessity.
Yes. And now I can't play because of my shoulder. So
yeah.
Yay. So glad I moved to a golf course and now I can't play.
Oh, could you please take a look at HOTH? It looks like it's picking up some volume.
I've got it over here. Yep, I can see it. Let's take a look here real quick. HOTH. Yeah, let's see. 132 is support. 132 is support. You still got a lot of buyers sitting there of 155 and up. You see them all? Or I mean sellers. You got a lot of sellers at 155 and up. Look at all of them stacked. See this? So I don't like it yet, partner.
Dangerous, right?
Yeah.
Because they're like holding it back from like the initial pop off.
That's correct.
What it is.
Yeah. So what you guys will want to look for while I'm doing my intro spiel, if this is something you guys are eyeballing, what you want to look for is you're going to see a pop, right? Eventually there'll be a buyer that'll come in, it'll spike it. What has to happen after the quick pop is you have to see all of these guys start to get bought out. If not, it is not going to continue to drive. All that'll happen is just be a quick pop and they're just going to shove it right back down again because there's so many sellers lined up. Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
So that again.
Yep, thank you.
Yep, absolutely. So I'd just be very patient and wait on that one. Same thing with this right here. You can see the level of resistance is sitting at 54 cents over on OTRK. So 54 cents, massive resistance. See it here? So what you're looking for now, the good thing with this one is, if you look at the L2, you got buyers stacking up at 44 and up. So what I do is, if you're looking at a place of entry, right, you're wanting to wait down here for support levels, VWAP is a good area because VWAP's around 46 and 44. So if you wanted to wait down in the weeds, right, this is where it would be. Otherwise, you're going to trade this exactly the same. This is your channel here and here. 54 is resistance, so you want to see it break 54 and climb. If you can break 54, you got a nice move to 56, right? And now we're only talking about 2-cent moves, but well, guess what? With 10,000 shares or however many shares you have in there, it equates to a lot of money, right? Again, because it's such a small penny stock, that doesn't take a lot, right? That doesn't warrant a lot of money in here. And I showed, just like this morning, on a $7,000 account, I'm up $450 or 6% just off of, I made 3 trades, one for 400, one for 50, one I tried to sell at 60, but it sold it literally flat, so I didn't make any more money. But a $7,000 account, instantly $450 off of 3 trades that we all did together, by the way, in the VIP lounge. Showed them exactly what we were doing, where it was at, why it was looking this way, right? Just like that. So again, a lot of you think you need a lot of money to trade. That's just not true. Just like some of you think you have to trade with options. That's not true at all either. These were all shares. Thank you, Hans420 says, just ordered my travel mug. Yeah, you're very welcome, man. Those are nice. I ordered seriously like 10 hats. I think I'm gonna start ordering a ton of those hats just because they're great quality. And if they ever went out of business and I can't get these hats again, I would be so upset. I love these hats.
Yeah, I've got one, Coach, and I wear it everywhere.
Oh my gosh, these things are great, right? They are, and it's not just because it's got my logo. I mean, they're actually really nice hats.
Yeah, they fit.
Yeah, they do, and they're hard, right? So they last forever. But anyway, so that's why I ordered 10 of them this morning in a variety of colors. My son stole all my black hats. I had the black, the double black, and the black and the white ones. He stole all of them. So thanks, buddy. Love your face. Every time he comes over, he takes one of my hats and he leaves with it. But anyways, thank you guys again so much for being here. I want to thank all my moderators before we get this party started. Thank you to Bruno, Carter, Lee, Dawn, Paul at the beach, Miranda, Johan, unhappily a housewife, Eric's Moto, DT, the female trucker, Luke Sidewalker, Jimmy, Brady, David, Mark, Nate, Ted, and Mark McSee. Thank you guys so much. Thank you to all my military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. Thank you so much. We honor and respect you every single day here at American Dream Trading. Special shout out to my son in the Air Force, going on 8 years now. Thank you, buddy. I appreciate you as well. Thank you to our first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and everybody with me. All my truck drivers around the world. There it is. That's what I'm talking about.
Hell yeah. Let's roll, y'all.
Thank you, man. Look at that. 2 days off, and we just nailed it just like that.
We're just that good.
Yep, we are. Thank you, my brother. Be safe out there.
Thank you.
So awesome. So awesome. Couple of stocks that we were looking at this morning, just to give you guys a couple of looks of what we do here. As our paid members get these hot stock picks, if you're a VIP member, you get to start trading with some of our millionaires at 4 a.m. in the morning. OTRK is one that we were trading. Also, HOTH and CERS. Those are some that we made money on this morning. They're not doing anything in particular right now, at least the other two. OTRK, I'm going to give you that one for free to keep an eye on today. But if you were a paid member, you'd already know that. If you're a regular paid member, we post those hot stock picks every single day before the bell for you. You also get all the pre-market setup. You get the videos on demand, the membership lounge, the videos to train with. Of course, we also have the free area. If you guys want to just join our Discord over at American Dream Trading, you can. Over in that area, of course, you guys will find lots of things like flashcards, games, how-to videos, stock terminology, and more. Do me a favor if you would right now. Everybody go over to our YouTube channel. Click on that subscribe. It does help us out. We're trying to get to 15,000 subscribers now. So thank you guys very much. We broke 10,000 a couple weeks ago. We do appreciate it. By the way, we have over 2,000 training videos, and we're updating the playlists on those every day. 2,000 training videos for free, ad-free, sponsored free, over on our YouTube channel. We provide more free education than any other stock market trading company in the world. Head over americandreamtrading.com right now. Hopefully you guys had a good last couple of days. I was not here Friday or yesterday. Of course, yesterday the market was all funky in the morning. NASDAQ was having some communication issues. So I was like, you know what? I'm just going to take the day off because I didn't want anybody to trade it anyways. I alerted the group. I'm not trading, and I don't recommend you trade yesterday just because if they're having issues in the morning, you could have, periodic issues throughout the day. So I didn't want anybody to run into any trouble there. But I did take Friday off, and here we are. Everybody, welcome back. I hope you all had a amazing St. Patty's Day. Very nice. I went up to a local, was it called Brass Tap or something? And I had a beer with my son. We went over to Buffalo Wild Wings. We had lunch, met one of his buddies over there in the Air Force. Brennan, if you're watching, good to see you, man. That was cool. Got to hang out with my son and, enjoyed a Guinness. So I hope you guys all had an amazing St. Patty's Day. And again, welcome back. Today is March 19th. I've got a clock up here. If you guys want to watch the replays over on our YouTube channel, we always have that clock. Thank you, Paula, for the gifts. I appreciate you. We are live on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and LinkedIn. So if you guys want to see us, we are everywhere. Thank you so much. We have 19 moderators standing by, right now if you guys need any assistance or if you have any questions. By the way, my name is Chad, aka The Coach. I am a 30-year professional stock market trader and trainer. This is American Dream Trading. We have officially been in business for more than 3 years now. We were featured in Inc. magazine over at Inc.com. Right, we are one of the largest and fastest growing stock market education companies in the country. So if you've ever wanted to actually learn how to trade in the stock market, you've come to the right place. We will educate you. We will train you, right? We will teach you to fish so that you are able to do this on your own. So basically what we look for, what I strive for us to do, right, is to have people helping people. I train up people who then train people who train people and et cetera, so we can reach more and more and more people, right? You come for the training and you stay for our community. We have one of the best communities of people helping each other out than you've ever seen before. We have almost 13,000 people inside of our membership. At any given time, we usually have 500 to 700 people live in our Zoom. We're the only ones, by the way, that provide live Q&A. Anytime you guys have a question or comment, you can open up your mic. All we ask is that the first 30 minutes of the day, which is that 9:30 to 10 o'clock, we hold off on more of the basic questions just because the market is super hot. You will hear call outs just because we're trying to keep an eye on everything that's going on in the market in those first 30 minutes. But this is not a call out group. So if you're looking for some cheesy call out group, this isn't it. This, we will actually train you. We are the only ones out here that will train you on actually how to trade in the stock market. And I'm not just talking about day trading. I'm talking about day trading, swing trading, long term, right? Diversifying your portfolio, all of your 401ks, your IRAs, your SEP accounts, right? I don't care. We will train you on how to manage the market in any given scenario because, again, I've been doing this for over 3 decades, right? I've traded through 9/11, the SARS, the dot-com bubble burst, the bird flu, swine flu, mad cow disease, 9/11, Desert Storm. I've traded through everything. Every situation for the last 30 plus years, I've traded through the market. The housing market bubble, right, crash, all of it. I've already done it all, right? So I don't care. Rona doesn't matter to me. Don't care at all. I show you guys how you can eventually become profitable. Results not guaranteed, obviously. This is a very hard job. People think you're going to come in here and just make $1 million right away just because you see a lot of people making millions. That's not how this works. Some of you will get it right away. Some of you will follow the rules right away. Some of you will empty your cup and immediately start learning from me, and others will take longer. You'll still make mistakes. You'll still go back to your old ways, right? Like, oh, I learned about this Fibonacci retracement. I'm going to MACD, RSI, coach into your 2-minute EWO, and I don't know why it's not working. Right. Empty your cup. Find out why we are doing things that no one has ever done before here at American Dream Trading. You're going to hear success stories in here all the time about what's going on, right? It's not me trying to sell you a product. It is people, real results here at American Dream Trading. I had somebody yesterday on over on the X, aka Twitter, some realtor person saying that day trading is nothing but gambling. You should stay away from it and it's garbage. Listen, if you treat it like gambling, it will be garbage. You will be the 95% statistic that says you will lose your money. Guaranteed to lose your money if you think this is an actual casino, right? So this is not a casino. This is where you go to learn how to trade. This is something you can use the rest of your life forever. Okay, so here we go. Before I block you, can you show us your Schedule D IRS form for the last 3 years to see your trading profits or losses? No, you cannot see my financials. Thank you. Again, my trading has nothing to do with you. Listen, if you guys want to watch somebody that all they do is trade and they make a ton of money, you're in the wrong place. I actually educate and train you. So instead of me sitting here making millions just trading by myself, which is what the other guys and gals do, and you stare at them, and then they ask you, did you make money? And you just get to like emoji fake like stuff. Yeah, they're going to look like amazing traders. And it's great because that sells memberships, right? Oh, I made, $6 million. Yeah, that's great. But you're not training anybody. My job as a full-time trainer is to make sure you and you and you and you and all of you are successful. Not me. My success comes from my business, which is training you. And we are very successful. Why do you think we were featured in Inc. magazine? We are very successful. Do you think we would be successful if I was a flim-flam skim scammer? No. We would. Listen, I've been live every day for almost a year and 8 months. You would know right away if this was some cheesy call-out garbage, didn't know what I'm talking about, right? This is the real deal. So I know you guys are so used to watching these little kids drawing charts, right? And all sorts of stupid stuff in the middle of the night trying to sell you on their Discords, and they have no experience, right? Listen, if they're not gray-haired, bald, and have been doing this for decades, is that who you seriously want to trust all of your hard-earned money with? Is that what you want to rely on with your entire livelihood, the financial future of your family and their families, the generational wealth we're talking about? Is that what you want to rely on as a little kid who's been trading for 3 years or whatever it is, and he's trying to sell you a bunch of stuff? Stop. We say it all the time. Do not buy cheap paper plates. Do not buy a cheap accountant. Do not buy a cheap attorney. And for God's sakes, man, do not buy a cheap trainer of somebody with your livelihood. For crying out loud. Yes, I have not been live for 2 days. Yeah, I took Friday off, and then yesterday the market was wonky, so I took the day off. Yep, absolutely. I know I never take days off, and I know it's weird. People are like, did you really take 2 days off? Are you good? That's when you know the coach never leaves. I've never taken. The only other time when I had to take a bunch of time off is when I got Rona and I had pneumonia. Literally on Christmas Day, I had to take that whole week off. I was in the hospital, ER for 7 hours on Christmas, and I had to take that week off. Other than that, I don't take days off. So you guys know me. Do you only teach or do you also trade and teach? Both. Both. But again, thank you guys. Yes, I do have lifetimes. By the way, prices are about to go up. It's been almost a full year that I've been running VIP for $2,500 a year. You guys can get in and you can grandfather that price in. We got about 7 minutes. I'll actually talk about those packages in a minute. But I'm going to sell 2 of those lifetimes today. It's $5,000 for a VIP lifetime membership. And you know what else I've been thinking about? Because I know my price is really high and I just turned it on if you want to do a one-on-one with me. And listen, if you can't afford it, that's fine. I understand. I get it. It's okay. But I'm telling you right now, I've trained about 150 people now just in here off of just the one-on-ones. With my hour, I will speed up, it could be possibly years of your training and education in 1 hour. So I don't know what that's worth to you, but seriously, here's what I want to do. I've never done this before, and that's because my price is really high, but I want to give you the most bang for the buck. I'm only going to do this today. I'm going to do this today only, and I'm only going to open up a couple spots, probably 2 or 3. If today you buy a one-on-one with me, and this will not be tomorrow, this is today. If you buy a one-on-one with me today only, and I'm going to close it though if I start selling too many. I won't take a bunch. I might sell 3 and then I'll probably shut that down. But if you do a one-on-one with me today, I will gift you a 1 year for free VIP or a 1 year VIP Gold, your choice, depending on which one you have. So today and today only, if you schedule a one-on-one with me, I will gift you a VIP Gold or a VIP membership, a 1 year for free. Today only. This will not be tomorrow. Do not ask. This is it. Now, Real quick, let's talk about our memberships before I get going. And again, remember, I get paid for you guys to be here. Obviously, this is my job. So I apologize that I have to take a couple minutes and talk about our products and services, but guess what? This is how you all got here. This is how we get to train you, right? So I appreciate you guys listening to my 6-minute spiel.
5 minutes.
Thank you. So hold on one sec. Let me pull up our information sheet. So again, I talked to you guys about our regular memberships. Excuse me. Yeah, I see. Don't worry. I see those guys talking smack about me all the time. That's just so they can draw a crowd. That's why I don't draw attention to it anymore. Yes, absolutely. Listen, when you're on the tippity top, they will always come for you. The day that people stop coming for me, I'm not doing something right. It means I'm not the leader in this industry. So I don't mind, right? You got to have the haters. Because again, if you don't have the haters, you're not doing it right, right? The one good thing though with the haters is it draws all the attention back to us, because then they're like, hey, I'm interested. What are they doing? Why are you talking about them constantly? Then they come over here and they hear what I'm really saying and they see what I'm really teaching. And then we take all the business that they would have received and then they go, oh, that's what a real trader looks like and trainer. So keep it up. I love it. It's the Madonna effect, right? So keep it up. Love it. Thank you, A1 Contract, for those gifts. I appreciate it. So real quick, with the VIP membership, you guys will get the the masterclass training with me that starts every day at 8:15. You'll get all the pre-market access to our Zoom, which starts at 4 o'clock. We have other millionaires that start trading as early as 4 a.m. You guys will get to learn and trade and train within the morning. You'll get access to the VIP lounge, the hot stock picks, the market trading info, which is our pre-market setup in the morning. You guys will get the IPO center, the videos on demand, which are all of the VIP videos, by the way, just for VIP members. You'll get VIP training, which, by the way, we're here every day, whether you're a paid member, the lowest paid member, always from market open to market close. All right. We're the only ones that do that. You'll also get all the workshop classes for free. We try to put one of those on every single month. And you'll get our Trading View indicators. Our Trading View indicators were specifically designed and developed by me. They are based on my 2-minute EWO method. I am the only trainer and trader that has ever used this method before, ever in the history of stock market trading. So that's what you guys will get with VIP. Right now, it is $2,500 a year. If you want to try it out, you can try it out for 1 month for $500. But seriously, I highly recommend you just do the annual. But if you can't, that's okay. Don't worry. You can also, if you have a VIP, you can add on the gold membership. Right now, you'll get a one-on-one with a moderator. You'll get all the mastermind classes for free. By the way, make sure you guys sign up for the next mastermind class, How to Grow a Small Account, Part 2. Part 1, you guys can get for sale over there at American Dream Trading. Part 2 is coming up June 5th, Part 2. You don't have to have one, but I highly recommend it. Go over there. You guys can buy those right now, a la carte. You do not have to be a member for the mastermind classes, by the way. You're going to get 1 hour of tech support if you need that, where we can remote in. We can help you set up your charts, get everything going for you. You're also going to get the VIP Gold Lounge access, VIP Gold Priority Help Desk support. You're going to get our news service. By the way, some people are paying thousands of dollars a year to get this type of news service information. Lee doing an incredible job over there. Breakout rooms only for VIP Gold members. When I call a breakout room, that is for you. And for our first time ever, weekend training. So if you're a VIP Gold member, you get weekend training. We have 1 minute to the bell. You will get weekend training. So all of that, VIP plus VIP. If you want to get them both and you're brand new here, you guys can just join the VIP Gold Complete package. It's $5,000, gives you everything that is a yearly. All right. EWO is the Elliott Wave Oscillator. We talk about it a lot, but we only got 1 more minute. I appreciate everybody being here. You guys are absolutely amazing. Love your faces. Moderators, if you see anybody acting facetious, being silly, kick them out immediately. No questions asked. Ban them from everything. We don't have time. We just want to get to work inside of this room. Remember all the rules. We have a bunch of golden rules that we want to live by. Never lose more than 1 to 3% of your total account value ever in any given day. If you have 2 red trading days in a row, stop trading for the next month. Take a month off. Always have stop losses on each and every trade, regardless if it's shares or options. Make sure you have those stop losses in place. Make sure you're trading with small position sizes, practicing base hits. Don't go for home runs, very small. Let the runners run, stop out those losers. Make sure you journal every single day so you know exactly what's going on. You can hold yourself accountable. And remember, here at American Dream Trading, everything we discuss is not financial, tax, or investment advice. It is only for training and education purposes. Let's have an amazing day. Let's rock and roll. Make sure your call outs are clear and concise, and we catch the first 2-minute EWO on the first candle if we can, please. Thank you. Watching the entire market here again at any time. AmericanDreamTrading.com. Just keeping an eye on what's going on here. I can see that SPY has actually popped to the upside. It touched our 512 pre-market setup and it could not break. Apple pulling to the downside, same thing. It broke our pre-market and just collapsed. Let's see what we've got here. NVIDIA is up on resistance. But NVIDIA so far looking strong out of the gate. So far, NVIDIA is bullish, but we'll see what it wants to do. It is down over 2%. But NVIDIA's got some legs on it. Lots of volume coming into NVIDIA. Just watch the market. There are the Qs pulling up on resistance. We can see it up here on our 2-minute EWO chart. This is free, by the way, with VIP. The only place you can get it. Look at this pullback. Can you guys see that? Right exactly where our chart showed. Pullback. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Same with NVIDIA. I'm going to pull this up on the big screen just so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. Can you see this? Showed us exactly where, right on our charts. It's beautiful.
Housing permits and housing starts are up. Bad for inflation.
Okay, thank you. There goes NVIDIA popping off, getting a big boost to the upside. SPY's popping off to the upside. Isn't Fed meeting also tomorrow? I think they're going to talk about whether they're going to raise interest rates or not. Is that tomorrow?
Tomorrow at 2.
Tomorrow
It's
at 2.
Release 2:30 is the conference.
There you go. Be ready for that, everybody. Don't forget to post. Don't forget to post your profits and loss. We will try to read those today while I am live if we have time. Let me see if we've got any runners. Yep, we do right here. ENVB. ENVB. Small account, 67%, 25 million volume. Low floater, 4.8 million low floater. Stair stepping up since pre-market. I got a lot of resistance at 190. Watch your L2s. Watch your L2s. That's ENVB. ENVB. Keep an eye on this one today. OTRK. We'll see if this is going to have a pop at some point. WORX starting to take off now. WORX. Starting to get a move here on WORX. 1 million. Very small micro floater. Lots of movement. 3 million volume on its average is 283K. Big movement on WRX. I'm going to scoop some of those up. WORX. See if we can get a nice pop out of WORX. There it goes. Boom. I'll take my money. There's $100. 1,000 shares. Let's see what the actual profit was. 517. So I ended up getting $6. That's 7% on a reset account this morning, back to $7,000. Nice. WORX continuing to climb, up now 60%. WORX, you got a wall at 3.02. If you buy out the wall at 3.02, you're going to get a nice pop. That's WORX. Anyone making money on that? Use your stops. WORX. Scoot your stops up. Beautiful trade. 3.02 is getting bought out really quick. WORX. Anybody else in that? WORX, talk to me. Anybody in WORX?
Yes, Coach. Bear Cub up 243.
Thank you.
I'm in it, Coach.
Thank you. Thank you, Easter Bunny. Bok, bok. Nice, nice. That's beautiful. 2,000 shares just sold. I'm up $600, 8.4% on total account. WRX continuing to climb. Now at 75%. Everybody should be making ass loads of money. So nice. I just love walking in the door and just turn the money printer on full blast. 74% and holding on WORX. There it is. 76% on WORX. WORX. Just like that, ladies and gentlemen. Does not take a lot of money to make money as long as you know what you are doing, as long as you have your stops in place. WORX, 72%. I'm not in this trade, just helping you guys out now. Just made a couple quick trades. Daddy's got to pay for these new cars. WORX.
Thank you, Coach.
Yeah, absolutely. Did you make some money on that, partner?
Bok.
Nice job. Continuing to run on WORX. Buyers are taking over. Sellers are getting smoked over there. Oh, look at that. Look at 32. Oh boy, that's really bullish. Super bullish WORX. Holy crap, I should be in that. WORX 85%. Oh my gosh, I just saw a monster buyer come in. WORX 86%. I'm still not in the trade. I'm going to let you guys trade it. 87, 88%. WORX. Scoot your stops up. WORX. Hit 87%. Awesome. Thank you. You're very welcome. Very nice. Very nice. If you guys see anything else, feel free to call it out. But all I see right now is SPY to the downside. NVIDIA down. Qs are down. Tesla's choppy.
NVIDIA, Meta, new low today.
Thank you. And Meta down. So everything else down. WORX. We found the little diamond in the rough. Launching. Hopefully you all made a bunch of money. Just like that. I've been gone 2 days. Yeah, just regular shares. Yep. Gone 2 days. We come back in. We're on fire again, baby. It's like we never left. Just like riding a bike. WORX. Lots of buyers coming in. WORX. Lots of buyers again coming in here. We got wall at 340. Watch for a buyout. So we want it. We want this 340. Oh, it's getting bought out fast. WRX about to pop. Ooh, boy. WORX. Oh, big wall, 332. A lot of sellers came in there. This bounces VWAP. I'm going to scoop some up again. We'll make a small trade again off of VWAP. 2,000 to 5,000 shares moving nicely through there. Sellers are trying to come in and sell some of this off just because they smelled blood in the water. I'm not buying it at all. I'm buying in here now. 2,000 shares bought. There it goes. There's the pop. I sold it at 139. I don't know what I got for it.
Ouch.
Yep.
Thank you so much. Make $1,230.
There you go. Yeah, I just made another, what, $200 on that? Yeah, seven.
you.
You're welcome.
And
Seven.
I'm inside my bed. Just I'm listening to you.
There you go. And you're all set, right? Done for the day.
Done. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. $1,000. Not a bad way to start the morning off.
Not
By the way, I'm up 10% on this small account. $716 profit on a $7,000 account this morning. Just like that. Just like that. That's how it's done.
Second red, AMD.
Thank you. There you go. You guys can see my screen. 10% right there, right? Off every trade that I told you guys we did. Here's my WORX. This is every trade that I did right here. Walked you through every single one of them. Every single trade successful. Very nice. Very nice. Just the like of that. Does not warrant a ton of money to make money. So again, whoever's telling you that is full of crap. Right? And I know some of you $7,000 is a lot. What if it was 700 and you made 10%? That's $70. Right? $70 is a lot of money. Think about it. You do that 5 days a week, right? That's good money. That's $350 a week. Just like that. So nice job. Now obviously
OTRK popping off.
Thank you. Oh, there goes our OTRK. OTRK. I told you this one looked like it was going to be juicy today. OTRK. New high a day on OTRK. I'll be here all week.
SPIR is popping off because of the news in the video.
Thank you. SPIR. Yep. SPIR launching. So right now we're looking at Works, SPIR, and OTRX. Good call out on SPIR. SPIR. Everybody seeing that one?
She's looking pretty good too, Coach.
Thank you. So lots of them making moves. OTRX getting ready to make new high a day. Lots of volume on OTRX. Works. WORX getting ready to make its new high a day. Lots of buying volume coming in. Goodness gracious. I guess this is going to be a penny stock morning, huh? That's what it's going to listen. What is the rule? What do I always say? If large cap and mid cap stocks are down for the day, look for these small penny stock runners. I say it every single day in VIP. If everything else is running to the upside, most likely you don't have as much micro, these penny stock runners. But today the whole market is down. So look for these. These are the movers. There goes SPIR. Great call out on that. SPIR.
Hoth from this morning as well. Hoth has just blasted above VWAP.
Thank you. Hoth on a double top right here. Be careful. Tons of sellers at 160 and 167. See them? But that's got a long ways to go before it hits that big wall, don't it? And that's huge. 160 is way the hell up here. That's got lots of potential. SPIR, new high a day.
Tesla, new low a day.
Thank you. Yeah, everything else in the trash. There goes Hoth. Yeah, they had a run up to 160 before it hit a wall. Support at 150 on Hoth. That's a good sign. So if you can stay between 150 until it breaks 160, you guys are golden on Hoth. Otherwise, have a stop just below 150. Do you hear me? Okay, good. By the way, if you're tuning in live on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, or LinkedIn, and you guys need help or you have a question or a comment, make sure you post them. Right now we're a no nonsense over here. If you guys say something facetious, stupid, or trying to be funny boy or girl, you will immediately be shown the door and you'll never be allowed back. But seriously, if you guys need help, if you have any questions, post them. We're everywhere. We're always waiting and watching. Hoth right there. That's why we had that stop, right? You bet your ass. OTRK. OTRK. Breaks 57, you're going to get a nice pop on OTRK. You hear me? OTRK. OTR, there it goes. There's 57. OTRK. OTRK starting to make a move. There it is. Nice little pop. I just scalped that for 20 bucks. Why not? Just sit here and make money all day if I want to just print it out. There's $729 for the day. 10.3%. Rusty, normally we don't answer questions in the first 30 minutes, but since the market is kind of funky, go ahead, quick.
It's no question, sir. It's SPIR bouncing on NVIDIA news.
Oh, thank you. Yep. Got it. Yep. We've been watching SPR for a couple minutes. Thank you for that information. OTRK, new high a day. 211%. OTRK. OTRK. We've been making money on that all day long, literally from the VIP membership. All day we've been making money on that. OTRK. It's glorious. Glorious. Again, it does not take a lot of money to make money. Make sure you guys sign up for the How to Grow a Small Account. And I will show you exactly what I did, just like today. Let me pull this up. Just like today, right? $7,000 account. Now up $729, over 10% of the account. I show you guys exactly how I do this over in my How to Grow a Small Account Mastermind class. You can buy it right now. It is a recorded class because we already did the whole live Q&A. It's almost 2 hours. It's a 90-minute packed class, and you do not have to be a member. Make sure you go to AmericanDreamTrading.com and buy that mastermind class. You can download it immediately. It'll be up in your products and services. And don't forget to sign up. Limited seats. June 5th. Mastermind class. This is our second one. How to Grow a Small Account Part 2. Because I have so much more information to go over that I want to help you guys with. By the way, anybody, we had 250 people sign up. Did you guys like the first mastermind class, How to Grow a Small Account? Anybody? Go ahead, open your mics, let the world know.
Loved it, Coach.
Awesome. I loved it. It was great.
Had a lot of aha moments.
It was excellent.
I'm an experienced trader, and it was phenomenal.
Thank you, man. Thank you all to all my paid actors. Appreciate you guys. Checks in the mail. All right. Oh,
yeah, were we on cue?
Yeah, right on cue, man. You guys are on point. It's because all the haters are like, they're just a bunch of paid actors. There's no way you could possibly have 550 real people inside of this room. Yeah, we're here. How about we do this? There's 547 people live inside of my Zoom. Why don't you guys open up the mics and tell everybody good morning? Go ahead. We'll wait. Tell them good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, people that want to get ahead.
Resistance.
Way to go.
Good morning from Chicago.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning to people who want to change their lives.
Good morning.
This is real. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, everybody.
Hey,
Good
morning.
Where the hell am I?
What
I'm
do
a
you
paid
say?
extra.
Snake oil.
Morning from Wisconsin.
Woo.
I think I'm in the wrong room. I'm looking for the Chevy commercial.
There was no check in my mailbox. I just looked.
Sorry about
Can I
that.
spend
Love
more
you,
for a Taco
Coach.
Bell discount?
Love
Is this
it.
where you buy raspberries?
Coffee.
So seriously, have you guys ever seen a room this big with this many active participants in the community? This is where you want to go. Come over, AmericanDreamTrading.com. Seriously, this will change your life. It will change your life.
Bet your ass, coach.
You bet your
Amazon new high day. SPIR new high day.
Thank you. SPIR continuing to run. Great call out on that, by the way. Ethan over on YouTube says, Coach, can you look at Amazon? Absolutely. Ethan, check it out now. Ethan, this looks good. 175.07 is where I'm showing resistance. So, of course, that's around 175. But if you can get a break of 175, Ethan, Amazon looks like it'll have a nice continuation.
And Tesla put have been prating, Coach, new loader.
Thank you. And support is at 174.70. So there's your two levels right here. So why, if you're waiting to get in, wait for the break of 175. If you guys are on the 2-minute EWO, though, you're golden. Other than that, Tesla's down, SPY down, NVIDIA down, Qs are down, but all of our stocks are up. And hopefully, go ahead.
All right, as I say, Apple just made it above all the things. Looking for the first green 2 minute any second.
Yep. Okay. Thank you. But hopefully, your accounts are up, even though the market is down. Very nice. Don't forget today, make sure you guys post those profits and losses. Moderators, let me know when we get new VIP members. Don't forget, today only, if you sign up for a one-on-one with me, I am going to gift you a 1-year VIP or a 1-year VIP Gold membership. That is a $2,500 value if today and today only you book a one-on-one with me. And I'm only going to do a couple of those. So, I know. Hold your applause. I know.
How much is the one-on-one, Chad?
It's $10,000.
That's what I thought. Yep. Thanks, sir.
You got it. I thought, you know what? I'll give something back for it. I know it sounds expensive. If it's too much, don't do it.
That's right.
Yeah. But other people in here, they're literally making millions off of the $10,000 training class, right? Literally. So it's all in perspective and how you look at it. Obviously, results not guaranteed, but if I have people in here that are making so much money, you guys know, you know. I've got some people in here who've had my one-on-one 3-4 times each, and they're all successful, by the way.
VERB on the up.
Thank you. Results not guaranteed again, but I'm just trying to get you more training and education. Listen, if it's too expensive, I also have the one-on-one with a moderator. That's only $500. That is 1 hour with one of our moderators, David, who's been doing an incredible job over there doing that. So make sure you guys sign up. Where do I sign up? Go to AmericanDreamTrading.com. Right here. It's always up on this monitor. AmericanDreamTrading.com. Make sure you guys get over there. It's now almost 10 o'clock. I'm already losing my voice because I'm not used to talking this much anymore. I took 2 days off. And now my voice is like, you can't do it that long, Coach. Have a good day, guys. All right, Fish Sticks, be cool, man. Good to see you. Yeah. Thank you. Yes, the mastermind class is recorded. Yes, it is. Yep. Absolutely. Josh, you got your hand up. Go ahead.
Hey, good morning, Coach.
Good morning.
Yeah, I don't know if you remember, but last week I said I was going to donate the mastermind class part 1.
Yes.
So I bought it, and I guess you were gone Friday, so we didn't do the drawing. We can do it this Friday?
Absolutely. Yep. Just remind me and we'll do it.
Yeah.
Yeah, Bruno or whoever, just open up a help desk if you haven't yet, and they'll take care of it all.
All right. Sounds good.
All right. Thank you, man. I appreciate that, by the way. That's Josh is going to be donating a mastermind class. So Friday, we're going to do a giveaway of a mastermind class. That's from Josh. Thank you, man. That is very gracious of you. We appreciate you. We love you, Josh. I don't care what Don says.
Okay, I know she was.
Dawn can't hear me. She's over there eating one of them Impossible Whoppers right now. She don't know what's going on. She can't hear us. She don't know what's happening. It's all good. OTRK right here, bounce off of VWAP. Yeah, by the way, if you guys ever do want to gift any memberships, just open up a help desk ticket. We'll do it live. We'll make sure it's in honor of you or anyone that you want, and we'll do a cool giveaway on your behalf or someone else. OTRK climbing nicely here. 58 is resistance. Big wall, 58, 57,000 people sitting there. If you break 58, you're going to get a nice pop with a potential new high a day over on OTRK. But that 57,000 here, oh my gosh. Look at this, OTRK. Start watching this 58 get bought out. See the numbers? Oh my gosh, it's going to get nuked. It's gone. 58 just got bought out. OTRK. Bullish. 58 got bought out. Look at these sellers trying to come in to replace it. Oh my gosh, look at this. You guys watching OTRK? This is a battle. OTRK just bought in. OTRK. OTRK is the way. OTRK. 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 A lot of sellers coming in. Be careful here. 59 is now the new wall. The resistance on 59. They are trying to stack this thing. There it goes. Watch 60. See if this gets bought out on your L2s. 60 just got bought out. Extremely bullish. OTRK. And these sellers every time at 60 cents try to come right back in on it.
NVIDIA 2-minute EWO green.
Oh,
Up.
first one.
Yes. Ball. No, coach. No.
Nope, it's not.
Not. It is on mine.
Nope, not yet. That's okay.
Too. Well,
That's okay.
Apple's too. 2-minute green.
It's all right. Don't
Be
panic.
sure you're on the 2 minutes. I am. Maybe it's my data.
No,
Sorry.
you're all right. Never worry. Thank you, though.
He sees the future.
Apple is on the 2 minutes. A second 2 minutes.
Thank you.
Green.
Once it goes over VWAP.
Yep, I see Apple is on its second 2-minute EWO to the upside.
Yeah, I remember said it was almost on its first, but I stepped away for just a second. Dang it.
No, you're all right. Thank you, man. So we're coming up on a cup. Apple, you want to wait for this break up here, this 174.84. Because otherwise you're going to get a pullback right here on resistance. OTRK still trying to find its way. This has so much volume in OTRK. 100 million volume. 100 million. Its average is 600K. 600,000 and it's over 100 million volume. Massive. Look at these buyers coming in at 57. There was a 10,000 order just came in, got bought out. OTRK is huge. Has a lot of potential still. I'm going to wait for his pullback to VWAP. Waiting. My last trade, by the way, I lost $17 on that trade. Okay, right here. Yep, scooping that up. That's OTRK. Just bought in. OTRK. That's a 1 minute candle rule. Trying to see if I'm going to get a half a candle bounce. Still pulling. I might add here. I am. I'm adding. Half candle rule. Because there was no reason for that 1 minute to be like that. We'll see. Still see if we can get a pop. If not, I'll cut my loss for like $20.
Also, Hoth broke a double top and is still going up.
Thank you.
Apple had news about getting something with NVIDIA Boost data centers.
All right. Thank you. OTRK.
Coach, it was Apple. Their Vision Pro goggles are going to be involved with
NVIDIA
3D.
Cloud. Yeah, I saw that yesterday. Yep. That was yesterday's news.
And sorry, I was looking at SPY, not NVIDIA. Sorry.
No. You're fine. Never worry about it.
Yeah, don't worry.
Yeah.
It's okay.
OTRK. I'm still waiting to see here. Like I said, if this flushes out, I'll get out. Otherwise, this is a bargain basement price. But if it doesn't hold, I'm out. OTRK. My average is 51 cents. Here we go. Come on, baby. Pop. Come on, OTRK. Lot of buyers coming in at 51 cents. That's bullish.
Shift change, coach.
Oh, crap. Shift change. Okay, thank you. Right there, OTRK. Come on, a little more. Come on. I could have took 60 there, but
Apple approaching double top.
there it goes.
Amazon near high.
Thank you. I think I got 60 out of that. Let me look. OTRK bought here on the bottom for a quick scalp. What did I get? Oh, it's not going to show me that way. Hold on. Don't know, but I'm up $7.50 for the day. I don't know what it was. It looks like I made... Oh, I was $7.30, so only $20 on that trade. Damn it. Come on, coach. You suck. That's only 10.63% of total account. You're a loser. Thank you. Yeah, this is too heavy on OTRK now. Waiting on this one. That's why I sold that off. 50 cents is support, but I need to see this start to drive back up before I'll re-enter. There it is. I'm going to post my P&L. You guys are seeing me do it live right here. There you go. P&L's going in. Small account. Boom. Right there. Just like that. Got to pay for that new car. You know what I'm saying? No regrets. Okay. NVIDIA's doing nothing. While we're having this downtime, if everybody would do me a favor, go over on the X, Twitter, tag me at ADT Coach. Tag me at ADT Coach and say something real nice about American Dream Trading. Go ahead, head on over there right now. Make sure you follow me. Follow me over on Twitter, the X, ADT Coach. Go over there right now. Right now.
Hey, Coach, what was the name of that magazine you got into? So congratulate you on Twitter.
Oh, thank you, man. Yeah, over Inc. Magazine, over at Inc.com. Thank you.
Not a problem. Good luck.
Thank you. By the way, Apple up here on that double top. Apple on its double top. Here it goes. Like I said, you want to wait for the break of this, what was this, 174.86, and here it is. Apple. We'll see if this is going to come back for a retest, so make sure you have a tight stop because this is a cup, and if this is the cup, you could have it come back for a handle. This is a retest area where it broke through. It's going to come back down, retest this exact area. Usually it wants to pull back before it will make its move back again. So we should see a pullback here. Coming back through, that will give us the handle. And then we make our move. like I said earlier, if you're on the 2-minute EWO, you're golden. Don't even worry about it.
Coach WORX.
Okay. Yep, WORX making its move again, getting ready for new high a day. Thank you. Great call out. WORX. Starting to make another move again. You guys seeing this on WORX?
For smaller accounts, Snap is a new high and second during 2 minutes.
Thank you. Good call out. There goes NVIDIA broke VWAP. Waiting on Works to see if we can break this 340 level. 344. Works breaks 344. We're going to get a nice move to the upside, but it's got a lot of sellers sitting at 340, 45, 49, and 50. So honestly, I would wait till the break of 350. You guys hear me? If you're looking at re-adding, don't touch Works till the break of 350 to the upside, okay? Deal?
Deal.
Okay, good. Good. I see everybody stacking up their P&L over there. Nice job. We're going to read those today, the profits and loss. We're going to read those today. If Works breaks this 350, here it goes. I'm in. Look at that pop. Oh, my gosh. Holy dramoly. Oh, I got a terrible fill with it. Damn.
Coach, I made $3,000 on that. Thank you so much.
Oh my.
I was actually down. I caught a knife on the other stocks.
Yes.
$3,000.
Oh my gosh. Congratulations, partner.
This is Bear Cup. Thank you.
Yo, Bear Cup. How long have you been with us, Bear Cup?
A little bit over a week.
Oh, 1 week. How much have you made with us, Bear Cup?
That put me actually positive. So I'm up 1,800 now. I gotta add this up. I'm close to $5,000 up.
$5,000. Bear Cup's been with us for a week. 1 week, $5,000.
I would have never seen it on my own. It's impossible to catch everything on your own, but when you've got an entire team alerting you and coaching you, my God, wow.
Well, I'm so happy for you, man. Was it the best money you've ever spent?
Yes, sir. Absolutely. Thank you.
Thank you. And didn't you just buy like a monthly membership or something?
That's right. That's right.
Wasn't it a
Incredible.
$200 monthly membership?
That's right.
A $200 monthly membership. He's made $5,000 in the first week, everybody. You hear that? You can't make this stuff up. Congratulations, dude. That's awesome. We're going to get the money train going for you, partner.
Love it. Thank you.
Absolutely. Very nice. Very nice. By the way, I have to delete my profit and loss. Sorry about that, guys. I just made one more trade. Made that trade right when you guys, when we were talking about it. Now up on a $7,000 account today, $1,007.94 for a grand total of 14.32% with a small account, shares only. By the way, that last trade I did was Works. Exactly when I told you guys, I said as soon as it breaks this 350, this was the break of 350. It went higher. I added another 1,000, 2,000 shares. There's the sell-off, made an extra $250 or $300 on that trade. And I'm done for the day. It's $1,000. Boom. Just like that. That's how it's done, ladies and gentlemen. Make sure you guys sign up for the how to grow a small account. I train this inside of that training video. And of course, every day with our group. So make sure you guys head on over. Listen, this is not some marketing, sales, schemey stuff. This is the real deal Holyfield, right? Real success stories coming from real people every single day. Learn, grow, listen, apply. Come in here with an empty cup and be ready to kick ass. Make sure, Bear Cup, you post your P&L today. Nice job, by the way. $5,000. Is that what you said? You made $5,000? Oh my goodness.
5,000 over the last week. Yes.
Oh my
Thank
gosh.
you.
And didn't I gift you a membership as well?
You did. You did. Thank you so much.
Oh my. What did I gift you? I don't remember.
You gave me 1 month VIP.
You guys hear that? He's turned his $200 account, and then he wound up getting a free $500 account, and now he's made $5,000. Woo! I bet I know
He
what.
10x that.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Well, he over 10x. He only spent 200. He 25x'd it.
Don't you have one lifetime left?
I have two.
Oh.
Yeah.
Two.
Or he might be interested in the VIP annual membership for $2,500. Is probably.
And then add the gold.
Yeah. Might want to do that and add the gold. No pressure, Bear.
It's coming.
Okay. Bear's like, I'm going to make $100 million. Here's a fun fact. Now, this is funny, right? Because you're doing all this amazing stuff. You guys remember when Brady came in and bought my monthly membership and it was $100 back then? Do you guys remember that? Brady's first month? Does anybody remember that?
Yes, sir.
Brady.
Oh yeah.
Brady made $1 million in his first month here off of $100 membership. He was the first one, I think, in our Hall of Fame, our Millionaires Club. He made $1 million off of his $100 membership using $25,000. Do you guys remember? Because I was like, hey, man, you might want to get a different membership. Do you guys remember me telling him? He's like, oh, yeah, I forgot.
Yeah. And he was only doing two things, Spy and Tesla. That was it.
That is correct. Nothing. He would scalp about 300 trades a day, making between $20 to $50 per trade. And of course, they would run in between all that. And that's all he was doing his first month. $1 million. Yep. And that's what you'd hear out of him. Spy put.
I remember that.
It's like, oh,
Thank
yeah.
you. And by the way,
I missed that.
And by the way, he has held I think the largest trade we've had in our room in a single trading day. I know Jimmy's come really close with multi-millions, but I think he's still to this day, I think he's the record holder in our room. $5.6 million in profit in a single trading day in this room. $5.6 million. Now, you guys all heard when Jimmy was in here 2 weeks ago, he made $1.6 million in a single day. So he's had some incredible trades too. But I think right now the record is $5.6 million in a day. By the way, he started with no money, right? $25,000, a monthly membership for $110, I believe it was back then, is now made over 30 million bucks. In this room, never traded a day in his life. That's pretty.
Isn't that what Trump started with? $25,000.
I'm not sure, but if you guys think about that, it's crazy, just crazy.
It was $110 a month, Coach, because that's what I started with.
Yep, $110 a month. $110 a month. Oh my goodness. Look at
I did the math on that,
Yeah.
and he averaged 68% on his account every day.
Oh my gosh.
And do you remember how many contracts of Tesla he bought on that trade?
I think he said it was a couple thousand.
10,000 contracts,
Yeah.
and all of us were just going, whoa.
Yep, I remember because it was, I think, and it was a down day, wasn't it? It was a bleeding day. Yeah, it was.
It
was
definitely was.
Yeah, it was a terrible bleeding out, world's crashing day. Yep. That's all right. You guys remember he was gone for like 3 weeks. Came back in February, showed me his screenshot. He had only traded 3 weeks. He had already made $10 million in 2023, and it was like March. And he was gone 3 weeks of it. I'm like, what in the world is going on? That's actually up on, that's still posted, by the way, over on, it's pinned to one of my pages.
Hall of
TikTok.
Fame. Oh, he's on Hall of Fame.
Yeah, he's in my Hall of Fame group. Yep. But it's on TikTok. I actually posted that screenshot and pinned it on my TikTok channel. $10 million in the beginning of the year. Done. By the way, that's why we don't see Brady very often, because he's got a lot of money now. Same with Jimmy. What was Jimmy's last recorded profit? 28 million before the 1.6 the other day. Am I right? Anybody? Math wizards?
Don't remember.
Yes,
sir,
can you look
that's
at
correct.
Amazon for me really quick?
I will.
Okay, it was around 30.
30 million. Yeah, Amazon is in the crapper. Watch for the bounce of VWAP. Supports at 174.77. So it's way down here on support. So around
This is a
VWAP.
huge pull for Amazon, so I was wondering what's going on.
Yep. But anyways, yeah.
And Coach, NVIDIA CEO is on live with Jim Cramer getting interviewed, so watch for some news on NVIDIA.
Okay, we'll do. Yeah, I can start to see NVIDIA popping right here. Also,
Sell.
Also, that means watch for Soxol, SMCI, AMD. Yep, none of them are moving. None of them are moving yet. But anyways.
Because of Jim Cramer's interviewed him. Coach, you need to interview Jansen.
Right. But anyways, so this is what I was saying, Bear. This is the room that you're in, right? Because he's only been here a week. This is what's going on in here, right? All sorts of craziness is happening out of American Dream Trading.
Up 2,400 for the day now, up from 1,800.
Oh my God. So then now you're up 6,000, right?
Yes, another 800. I've been playing Works for a little longer, but I'm out of it now.
You guys hear that? $6,000 in Bear Cub's first week of being here off of a $200 membership.
Hey, Coach.
Yes. Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, I remember the time somebody asked Jimmy how's he's reading his candles, and he said they're just fence posts. I don't know what they are.
That's right. Waiting in the weeds and in the clouds, right, my man?
Yeah.
I love that. Thank you, Todd. I see that digital thank you card. I appreciate that. By the way, moderators, how many new memberships have we sold today? How many people have signed up for all of our great products and services? Was it worth me coming back and blowing my voice out today? Did we make any money today? Let me know.
Yes.
Let me know if we sold any VIP memberships or regular memberships today. That'd be great. NVIDIA pulling back here now. OTRK bounce off the 200. Still just getting crushed over there. But check out Works staying up nice and tall. That thing hit $4.17 off of Works. You guys realize we were calling this out in the $2 range in the VIP, right? Bruno just reported to me zero memberships today. Is this thing on? Hello? Is this thing? Hello? Is this thing on? Hello? Oh boy. All right. Well, I guess that's not gonna work here anymore. Very nice. All right. How about this? Did anybody make any money today?
Yes.
Yep.
625.
Whoa, $625. Anybody else? 2 people made money today.
I made 1,000, Coach.
Thank you.
$1,230, Coach.
Thank you. Nice job. Anybody else?
Full 100 on Apple.
Yes. So we do have some people making money. It's crazy. It's crazy. All right, let's do this because my voice is almost completely shot. I assume DT is not here because I have not heard her sweet, angelic voice today. That's just makes me sad. That's just a sad day. I don't like it. I don't like it at all, and I'm very saddened. Let's do this, though. I want somebody to read the P&L. Everybody head on over right now. I know we're a little early, but my voice is almost completely gone, and it's 10:20. I got to save this for a minute. Everybody right now, head over, post your P&L. I know it's extremely early. I'm going to have somebody read it off to me here in just a moment. Do I have a volunteer to read off the P&L? If not, I'm just going to pick somebody.
If not, I'll do it, Coach.
All right, thank you. All right, Bruno, go ahead. So everybody real quick, right now, head on over to the P&L, post your information over there. I know we're a little early and people are still trading, but if you have time, if you're not in a trade, there we go. There we go. Starting to get the posts coming. Okay, we're a little slow this morning. That's all right. I know I've been gone. It's all right. Come on, wake up.
Good morning, Vietnam!
There we go. Nice, nice. All right, Bruno, if you would, go ahead and read. Everybody kill your mics. Don't worry about the stocks. We know they're going up and down. Thank you. Hold off on all of the stock callouts for a minute. Thank you.
All right, everybody. Mark MC, LICY at 4 a.m. Quick $83. And Z-Car times 4 with 2 wins, 2 losses, still green for the pre-market trading. Shortly after Mark came back, CERS off the halt, and drug news, $240 total in pre-market this morning. Great job, Mark. PEB lost $31 in the pre-market. Sorry to hear that, PEB. We'll rebound. We'll get you back up on your feet. CA J-Man X3. That's an interesting name. Lost 450 on CERS, CERS. I was hooked on hopium this morning. Horrible. I can't trade with hopium. Cannot trade with hopium. Myself, AMD, and then back to work, 9.55%. That is now, 2 trades or 2 transactions, 1 trade.
Very nice, very nice.
Mark MC back at it again. SPIR with a quick additional $150. Mark's just killing it in the pre-market at 4 a.m. Edward 05 up $61. Good job, Edward. Coach is up $1,007, 14.32%. Good job, Coach. Brad W works, WORX, for $1,013.96 today. Been here about a week and made about 2K. Great job, Brad W. A brand new member. He's got a little green leaf next to his name, so he's only been here a short time.
Holy crap, $1,000. Let's see, been here a week and you've made he's made $2,000. Again, this is Brad off of a monthly $200 membership, has made $2,000. 10x is his amount he's paid in. That's pretty damn good return on investment. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Timo 1650 on stocks only. Good job, Timo. Always constantly here with the group. Tom, always see this name in this profile pic. Up $678.73 on 5 NVIDIA calls. Thank you, Coach, and the entire team. Appreciate you all. Mark MC back at it again, getting his trading done this morning. WORX for additional 225 in minutes. These turbo trade buttons are the devil. Today at 625. It was at 625.
They're the devil.
Gotta practice those mechanics.
Yeah, hell yeah. Nice job, Mark, getting it done.
Leaving too much money on the table, Mark.
Too easy to get in and out.
A Wolf of 4, $1,876. That's a VIP gold member and a VIP lifetime. Great job, Wolf of 4. Miguel, the Q puts 1.32% on total account on Webull. Great job, Miguel. Ferris is up $50.76. A win is a win, baby. Thank you. And great job. Todd's money. Todd, by the way, Todd's money has been crushing it the last couple of weeks or the last couple of days. So great job, Todd. $455 today. Mustang Chris, good to see you. $27 so far on a few shares of Tesla. Good job, Mustang. Jim 007, another monthly membership. $902 on Tesla puts and Apple calls. Good job, Jim.
Oh
007.
gosh, this is one day, by the way. Think about this for a minute. So it's 10/21 when he posted this. That is a $200 membership. In under an hour, Jim has made $900. I want you guys to think about that for a minute. That is over 4 months of training. 4 months of training he's made in less than an hour off of our membership. Nice job.
Matt said he was down $11. Not horrible, Matt, but we'll get you back up, or you'll get yourself back up. But hopefully you'll get back into the positive. Ange Moore, that's a new name. VIP member, $145.10 on WORX. Great job, Ange. Good to see a new face in here. Nana, qu'est-ce que c'est? $70 on one Tesla put and in a Tesla call right now already green. Great job, Nana.
Nice.
BR549. Also, just big shout out to BR549. He's always constantly posting in the earnings reports every week. So awesome, and thank you for that.
Yeah, nice work.
Up $64.90. Good work. Big rig Dave, WORX coaches call out, $2.05. A win is a win.
Nice
So,
job. Nice job, Dave. Woohoo.
David, our very own David, 2 trades on Apple so far, up $343, 3.28% total account, and now locked in with the runners still holding.
Nice
Good
job, David. Getting it done as always.
Future trader, VIP gold member, and VIP lifetime. Scalp Tesla, $1,600, second green day in a row. Awesome work, future trader. Bear Club 305 is now a VIP member. Stocks only.
Nice. Congrats.
I got to make sure you cancel out that monthly.
Yep, for sure.
Stocks only. Don't know how to do options yet. Stick to stocks. If stocks are working for you, stick to stocks.
Absolutely.
And then level up. We have a couple different ones: ENVB, OTRK, SPIR, and WORX for a combined total of $2,469.20. Hopefully, I read that right.
So just like that. So real quick. So Bear Cub started with a $200 account. He's made over $6,000 today only. He's made enough to pay for an entire year of VIP membership off of a $200 membership. This is exactly what I'm talking about. A whole year. But think about it. That's a whole year of training he's made in the last 1 hour. Congratulations.
Correction on that. He's still on a 24-day. I guess you gifted him a VIP. I just looked.
I did.
But yeah, so hopefully we'll see you soon.
Yeah,
Bear Club.
Thank you.
Stroll. Yeah, Stroll hit $1,216 monthly member, actually a lifetime member on Tesla. Great job, Stroll.
Nice job.
Palm Coast 76, $356 up in first half hour Tesla puts. Awesome work, Palm Coast. Waffle, loss of 2% on a small account with Hopium. That OTRX comes back today. Yeah, never hold on to those suckers, especially during the pre-market. And then wait for the bell to see what it does. And then you can always rejoin or join or get back in.
That's right. But I do like, though, Waffle, that you cut it at 2%. Never allow your account, right, more than 1 to 3% ever. And he has a small account, right? never lose more than 1 to 3% ever in any given day. And this is what will keep you out of trouble. Nice job, though.
And he's sticking to the rules.
That's
so
right.
Good job. Hans 420 up $50 on EVMB after buying a travel mug. ADT travel mugs now available on the marketplace. Thank you.
Very nice. Thank you. Nice.
Dougie Bear lost $199 on CERS broker rule. Stopping trading for a week. Dougie Bear.
That's all right. At least you caught it, and now you're going to journal it, and now it makes sense. I love the fact that you put yourself on a timeout. Good job.
And you also admitted that you broke a rule. Ease Jack about even wins in the options and loss on some CERS. Thanks, Coach, for being here. We appreciate you always. Mark, dual overhead cam, DHOC.
Very nice.
Up $731, 2.48% on the account. Awesome work. He
Nice.
is a VIP Lifetime and VIP Gold.
That's beautiful right there, man.
BMAC 1975 got in late, but up $63. Good job, BMAC, VIP Lifetime, VIP Gold, and Lifetime.
Yes.
$150 W. I'm assuming that's WRX. Fourth day of trading. Awesome work. He is a VIP member.
Beautiful. Nice work.
Shane R down $150 on CERS and down $42 on HOTH callouts. I'm good at trading as rocks are at flying. Timing is just shocking.
Keep working at it. Shane. You'll be all right. Smaller position size until you get the timing, okay? Small.
And never force a trade and never get in at the top or never try to use FOMO as a reason to get into a trade. B Axelrod up $34.90 in this week. Great job, Axelrod. Woodsy, CERS, quick pre-market scalp, $28. OTRK, pre-market scalps, $35. Total AMD puts after open, quick scalp, $35. That's what I like to see. AMD to the downside.
It's beautiful, man. That's a lot of money added up. It's almost $100. That's beautiful, man. Good job.
TLC Riddle, Apple or TL Criddle. Apple paying today, thanks to David, up $1,500, still holding on with stops in place. Great job, Criddle. VIP Lifetime, VIP Gold and Lifetime member.
Smart.
Matt.
I'll delete it. It shouldn't be in here.
That's just a question.
Yep. The questions don't go in here, Matt. This is P&L.
Yeah, post them in the lounge, Matt, if you got questions.
Yep.
AC Rid. Up $60 today. Good job.
Nice.
Original Lifetime member.
Nice.
Grateful 777, 109 on WRX. Great job. VIP Lifetime member as well. Diesel Dan up on Apple, $269 this morning and still in. Awesome work. Diesel Dan Lifetime, VIP Lifetime and Lifetime member. Ken C. Just grabbed a quick $26 on a single option scalp within 1 minute of walking through the door after taking my kids to school with Microsoft. Go ADT.
That's
Great
awesome.
job.
Nice, Ken.
He's got a Lifetime member and a mastermind class.
Oh, nice.
DT, the female trucker.
Oh, she's in
up
here.
80.
I just got here.
Oh, for crying out loud. Oh, my God. Just can't take
Sorry,
it.
I just finished my pre-trip, so
That's all right. We did get to hear the lovely sounds from Bruno, though, so
yes, great job.
it's not quite the same. I mean, I love Bruno too, but it's just
I had to go drink an espresso to read these off.
but I talk to Bruno every day, so it's just not the same. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I miss you too,
He
Coach.
doesn't look as pretty as you. But he is a fine looking feller.
Down, Coach.
Everybody be cool.
Go ahead.
Go ahead. Everybody be cool.
DT, the female trucker, up $84 on SPY. Sorry I'm late. Just finished my pre-trip. Coach, love you, sir. Good job, Bruno. Thank you. James L. a VIP and lifetime member.
Nice.
Green Day, Green Shades, not tracking dollar amounts. That's also a good strategy.
Yeah,
I
smart.
switched to percentages. Go ahead, Coach.
Yep. No, that's smart. Nice job, James. Love it. Love it.
And we got one more coming in from Happy Pappy, but I don't think, Coach, you got confirmation on that.
No, it's coming in. Here's something I wanted to talk about. Check it out, Bruno. If you look at, now this is crazy. Now, is this a coinkydink? I don't know. Let's find out. If you guys look at everybody that's posted profits today, 4 people were regular paid members. Everyone else is 6 people, 7 people. 7 people out of 50 were regular paid members. Everyone else is VIP. Things that make you go, might want to ponder that for a while. Am I right? If you guys ever noticed in the P&L how it's always flooded with green and gold names, has anybody noticed that? I don't know. Interesting. I don't know. Happy Pappy up 1.2% for today. Have a wonderful day. Great job. Thank you, Bruno. We appreciate you, buddy. As always. What a great job. If everybody would do me a favor real quick, head on over to that tips moderator. Look for Bruno's name. Let's throw some money right squarely at his face. So you see him right there? Go to the tips moderator. Let me share my screen so everybody knows how to get there. Let's throw some money right at his face. Bruno just doing a tremendous job on the back end, helping all the moderation team, right? Leading the group, being the light for the community, helping everybody with help desk tickets, answering questions, being here, always available. Everybody head on over, throw a bunch of money right at his face. I want his phone to blow up. You guys all see it? I've got it up on my screen. Get over there. Everybody throw some money at him. That would be great. I would highly, highly, highly appreciate that. If anybody doesn't have this Cash app, you can send it in as a digital thank you card, and I will send it over on his way. But seriously, thank you, Bruno, and all my moderators. Could not do this job without all of you amazing, beautiful people in my life. Thank you, guys.
You're the best, Coach.
Thank you, guys. You guys are awesome. By the way, so this is something really cool that I didn't know that was going on. So, which is wild. So my mother-in-law, right, who drives a long way to work, by the way, this year she's going to be retiring. My wife and I are retiring my mother-in-law. She's going to have a nice place over here by us here in Virginia. Any day she wants to leave, I already told her you can leave any day you want. Just leave work, but she loves to work. And I'm like, okay, but probably as soon as one of those apartments come up available, right, we're going to take care of her housing and all that stuff. But anyways, long story short, she says she listens every day to the aftermarket show over on YouTube. And she says she absolutely loves all the people over there. And she says she really likes hearing all the good things about me. So I've got my own family members watching your aftermarket show, Dawn. Right? Which I didn't even know they did that, which is really cool.
Well, it'd be nice if she called me, Coach.
Right? Now I know Dawn's out probably smoking a cigar and eating that Impossible Whopper, so she doesn't hear what we're saying in here. But make sure you guys as well tonight tip her because she does a tremendous job. One of the haters, by the way, is like, she has a tip jar. They just pay her in tips. Listen, she gets a salary over here too. She gets paid. She doesn't get paid in tips. Just none of these moderators do. A lot of them are on payroll. The ones that are actually doing work, they're all on the payroll. This isn't like some freebie stuff. And everybody else, like the Mark McSees and the stuff, if they're not on payroll, they get all of my services absolutely free, right? Just because I want to thank them. So some people aren't sitting here all day doing work, right? DT, the female trucker, Eric's Moto, right? Sometimes they come in, sometimes they don't, but they get all of my memberships. Everything that we have is absolutely free to them, which is, as you guys know, that is thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars per year because I want to thank them. Now, the people that are doing the heavy lifting, the Arlo, the Mirandas, the Carters, right? Bruno, of course, the Dawns, right? Everybody that's doing like the heavy lifting, they all get paid here. These are paid moderators, right? So don't be like, oh, this coach doesn't. No. Some people, though, are more like, right, being the positive light for the community. Some people come in and out. Some people, right, just kind of are here, but they're promoting us or they're talking really good. You're right. They know what we're doing. They've been trained by me. They might show up on the panel, right, a lot. So, hi, sorry, my dog's right in my face. Can you guys see her? She's all up on my grill. Hi, what's up? What's up? Huh? Are you being good? Sorry, my puppy's over here. What?
She's so cute.
What?
Aww.
What, baby? What?
There's
Aww.
her DT.
She wants some love and some dad.
Can you guys see
Where
her?
have you been?
What? I know.
DT just joined, Coach.
I know. I'm gonna wrap up in just a minute.
Apparently he just joined.
She wants to go out or for a W or something. I know. Just a minute. I know you're a baby. Your daddy's baby.
Coach DT just joined.
I know. She's been in here for a while. Did you just join?
Oh. Me?
Yeah.
No, I thought you were looking for.
No. She's been in here. That's why I asked if you just got here. She's been in here for about 8-10 minutes.
Oh, okay. No, I did take a timeout.
Oh, you guys. he was over there smoking a cigar, having an Impossible Whopper with Don. I know it.
But it's so true, Coach. You always take care of the member while been putting the group together. You take care of me when I was doing all the t-shirt design, and you call out in the morning. You always took care of me.
Absolutely.
You take care of your community, so we take care of you. So it goes both ways. And for the hater out there, you can shut up and move on, or maybe learn something from us.
He took care of me too, and I don't do anything. So
Thank you, guys. Yeah. No worries. Love your faces. You guys are awesome. Appreciate it. I got West Palm. Go ahead. You got your hand up, Frankie.
I'm getting there, Coach. I'm one of your paid actors. I just wanted everyone to know. Coach, I just really appreciate you. You don't ever have to tell us what you're doing about your mother-in-law, but it just shows the kind of person you are. I really appreciate, most people, I just appreciate you saying that to everybody. It's just such a great example. Thank you so much.
Thank you, man. And I think it's our responsibility, right? If you have the means, which I'll be honest, we didn't have it before, it would have been tough. But if she needed anything, obviously we would have done anything for her. This is one of those, you got to help people, right? You got to help people. And it's a lot. I mean, it's a lot of money, right? It's not like it's a little bit amounts. And the only reason I'm saying that is because I know a lot of people would not do that if they were in my situation. I saw somebody on TikTok who's very well off, by the way, a realtor. And he's like, should I charge my in-laws rent? I'm like, are you effing kidding me? They're your in-laws. Why would you charge your in-laws rent if you are fine? Right? It's a difference if you're struggling yourself. But if you're okay and you got all your ducks in a row, well, how in the hell would you charge your in-laws for anything? That's just stupid, selfish, dumb shit to me. I think if you're in a place where you're able to help people, I think it is your responsibility to do that. Right? And that isn't expecting anything in return. I don't ever expect anything in return, obviously, right? When I do the stuff that I do, I don't expect that. That's not a thing. This isn't why we do what we do. But I think if you're in a place, right, whether it's your time, your money, your resources, your energy, or just, answering questions or helping or whatever it is, man, you're supposed to do that. And it drives me nuts that people don't. It drives me absolutely bonkers. It makes me sick to my stomach that when me and my wife were kids and we were broke and dying and had nothing and stuff, right? And again, my mother-in-law, out of everybody, and my father-in-law too, but he passed, but he's not here anymore. But my mother-in-law was the only one who was like, hey, I'll help you guys. We'll take care of you. So guess what? Now it's my turn. Now I'm going to retire her because she would have never in a million years ever been able to retire. Ever. And I mean ever. You can't live on Social Security and she has no money saved, right? She would have never retired. So She helped me, and I will help her the rest of her life. And it's one of those things. But she was one of the only ones ever out of all my family and people and friends and all sorts of stuff. There were highs and our lows, and you got to help people, man. You got to do it. It's your responsibility. It really is. If you don't have somebody you can help your church, help your local community, help the food drives, go donate, go help with your time, go do something, man. If you have time is the thing you can donate. If you have money with less time, then donate the money, right? A lot of people are, one way or the other. It doesn't matter. Give what you can when you can do it. Obviously, you got to put your health first. You got to put yourself first, because if you aren't healthy, if you aren't taking care of yourself, you can't take care of other people. So get your mind right, physical, mental, spiritual, whatever it is to you, but you got to get right to get everybody else right. So you got to do it. You just have to. There's no choice. It drives me nuts, man. We can't sit here and claim to help people and then don't. You can't say you'd be the light, but you're not, right? You can't just keep taking money from like us, like memberships, but not give back. You have to. This is what we do. This is why I want us to be different. This is right? I don't know. Sports saved my life, so guess what I did later? I coached sports for inner city kids, and that's what I did forever, right? It's literally probably saved my life, right? Going to super ass ghetto school, football was the only thing that I think that saved this man in front of you today, because it wasn't easy where I was at. And I'm telling you, I got in, that was my gang, right? Was my football players. And they're like, you need to leave Christian alone. And that was it, right? So I got that circle of protection from my friends just being a part of that group, because before it was a free for all, fend for yourself, try to survive bullshit. And that is why I always get back. And that's why I did it for football. So, and baseball and all the other stuff. But anyways, you got to get back, man. It's not me trying to gloat or brag or ego. It's not. If I wasn't here in front of you, it would be the same story. I would just be trying as much as I can to do as much as I can for as many people as I can. And that's how you're supposed to be. So you got to do it. And you just have to do it. I can't express that enough. There's too many people not helping each other out. Why are you not helping you out? Why are you not reaching out to somebody? Why are you not helping? Go help. This is why I say it every day. This is why in 2024, it's health and wealth, right? Get yourself healthy, get your finances in order, be able to help people. Because remember, at the end of the day, the reason why, seriously, at the very end of the day, the reason why at the end of the day with this, the money is time. Time is freedom. Right? So if you have time, which is freedom, now you can help other people. You can help out in the community. You can go do other things. And if you have money, you can spread that money around, right? You heard it when Jimmy was coming up, right? You hear Nate, right? Donating to people all the time, right? You hear it all the time. So when you have when your cup is overflowing, let it flow into somebody else and help them. It's a trickle down effect. You help somebody, they help somebody, they help somebody, they help somebody. And that's what I try to do in here. So I just try to tell everybody, excuse me, spread what we're doing, spread the light, be the light, be the energy. And this is why I hate it when the haters come at us. And I hate spending money or time on them, is because that is money not well spent for us, because I should be marketing to you, helping you, talking to you. Because when I market to you and I bring you in here, then I get you into my fold. Once I get you into my fold, I want us to put our protective wing on you, and I want to help you guys to go, right? And then I want you to show somebody else, hey, come on over here. Look at what we're doing. Hey, look over here. Check out what we're doing. Hey, come over here. Look how my life has changed. Hey, look at, I'm donating money everywhere. Where did you do that? American Dream Trading. Oh, what is that? More people, more people, more people, more people, more people. It helps them, helps the community, helps me, right? It's not just the bottom dollar thing. I didn't know where we were going to be last year. In 2023, I had no idea. I didn't know if the bottom was going to fall out on us, right? I didn't know any of that. You guys know that I donated over $660,000 in products and services last year? I didn't know what we were going to do. I mean, I was giving away so much stuff. If you guys, most of the lifetime memberships, excuse me, that are in here, I donated them. Tons of this stuff. right? I didn't know where we were going to be. And that's a losing business proposition, by the way, is giving away more than you're making. That is a horrible business model. I didn't care because I was in a position for the first time to go, I can help people in a different way. I can do these things. So this is why there are so many members that got so much stuff that we've been doing for so long in here. And this is why I will always continue to give as much to the community and have these fundraisers and these drives and make sure moderators are taken care of. And I pay them ass loads, over absorbent amounts of money so that they can just continue to be here with us, right? And fellowship with us and helping each other out and everybody being together. So this is all a part of it here at American Dream Trading. This is not just some cheesy ass, stupid call out group where everybody's just a number and we're trying to sell you a Discord account. That isn't what we're doing here. So hopefully you guys will see that. And this is why we try to do things different here. I got a couple hands up. I'm losing
And
my
coach,
voice.
before the hands up, I never really say much, but I just want you to know that emotionally, you've been a support to me. I've texted in the chat ever since the inception, but I just want you to know that moreover than helping everybody make money, you actually helped me emotionally in my life. And I want to tell you thank you. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you. I appreciate you. And what's your first name?
I'm Ackland.
Ackland?
I'm here. Yes.
Thank you. That's
I've
awesome.
been here from the inception.
Aw,
I
thank you.
just don't talk much.
Well, we definitely want to hear your voice more. You got a really pretty voice. Thank you. Appreciate you.
Thank you.
Absolutely. Appreciate you being here. That's so cool. Richard, go
You
ahead.
guys are a family to me. Thank you.
Oh, thank you. We appreciate that. We pride ourselves on that, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that's our jam. That's why when we get a problem child, they will be shown the door immediately. This should be a fun, entertaining, lively, loving, welcoming, encouraging, positive light community. And if it's not that, I'm not doing my job and we need to change the whole structure. But that is all I'm ever concerned about. Growth will just come. That'll just happen. We build each other up enough. Word of mouth gets out there. People know. I mean, look at how big we are. We have not marketed ourselves once. Other than me going live, we've never spent a penny on marketing other than, YouTube videos and things like that. But we have not billboards, commercials, marketing. I haven't done any of that yet. This has all been word of mouth. So that means we're doing the right things. And that all comes from you guys, by the way, community. You guys are being the positive light. And people want to be around that, right? When you're being positive and influential in your life, people want that. They want that. They're like, what is that? Put it in a bottle and sell that to me. They want that. So give it to them. Be the light. Be positive. Smile. Help them out. Do as much as you can and go above and beyond every day. Richard, go ahead. You got your hand up?
Yeah, Coach. I just wanted to tell you that my wife and I have had a philosophy forever in that many people who don't have money, they're living paycheck to paycheck, which we've been doing, and even where there's more month than money. When we get a month where we have to pay the auto insurance and you're making it barely as it is.
Yes.
I mean, we're kind of back in that now with Social Security, but we've always had the philosophy that when we see somebody who's struggling, we can always add another potato or two potatoes to the meal to help people. You don't have to have millions or hundreds of thousands to help.
That's
You
right.
can help at whatever level you're at. And I just wanted to share that.
Thank you, man. And you know what? You know what is free to this world that even if you have nothing? Kindness. It's free. It costs you nothing. Even if you had nothing to give, you could empathize and be with them, right? You could struggle right there with them. Kindness is free. And people, they don't realize it because we're all in this dog eat dog world, must get ahead, don't care, step on people to get ahead, right? We don't need that. Kindness is free. How about you give some of that out? If you had nothing else today, right? How about you give out some kindness? Let's start with that, right? Cost you nothing. Who knows? You might feel better about yourself, which in turn puts you in a better position, which in turn, right? Your life might change as well. You'll see. Christina, go ahead. You got your hand up?
Hey, I just wanted to tell you, I don't know if you saw, but my mom had a little spotlight on the aftermarket one day last week. She got on there for a minute,
I did
and
not see that.
yeah, yeah, she got on there for a minute, and
That's awesome.
after that, she said, "Well, I want to go. I really like that. I want to go back on when you're, that guy's there." I'm like, "What guy?" She goes, your coach guy. I want to meet him. I said, "Okay." So because she's watched it a few times, and she thinks,
Aw, that's
you know what?
awesome.
Yeah.
What's her name?
Ruth.
Ruth?
Yeah,
What a
Ruth.
sweetheart. Yeah, for
Oh,
sure.
she is cute as a button, man.
That is so cute. Thank you, man. Tell Ruth I'll definitely make sure to get on there with her, okay? That's so cool.
She's funny. She's 90. She can't hear, but she tries.
Aw, what a sweetheart. That's so cool. Yeah, yeah.
I wanted to say, I really like what you said about how, that's just what you do. You help family. When I had cancer, my dad got sick. He had cancer, and I went out there and I ended up staying for 4 months. I home hospiced him. I, stayed with him while he died. And people were like, why don't you just get a nurse? Why? Because you don't do that. I just add this family. You take care of them. You're there for them. And then when some people will be like, oh, that's so sweet of you. No, it's not. It's just like if you broke your arm, you
That's
take
right.
care of it. It's
That's
the same
right.
thing.
It's
It's
true.
just yeah, you just do it, and it should be like that. And I wish everybody was like that, but some people aren't, and I get it. But
I agree. Yeah, I
but
agree.
you help, and you do what you're supposed to do, especially for family.
Absolutely. Yeah, absolutely. Like, I don't
You
know
guys
if you
are
guys, I don't know if you guys know, but right, my dad's wife just passed away, and he was a mess financially. She took care of all the bills and all the stuff. And me and my dad haven't talked in over a decade, right? We do not have a close relationship. You guys know what a crazy life I had, and that's all thankful to him. Now, obviously, it's not all bad. I got some of his cool traits like entertainment and all this, all the other stuff, the comical, the timing, all this crap, because he was an entertainer his whole life. So, I mean, I got the good with the bad, but his whole family that was around him, that he was around, nobody wanted to help him financially. No one. And they're with him every day. And my dad would give them the shirt off of his back to help them. And none of them stepped up. My sister called me and she's like, can you help? Like, I haven't talked to my dad in over a decade. Yeah, of course I'll help. And I did. But it's one of these, it sucks because the people you think are going to be there with you when your life is shit, they don't care about you at all. Not at all. And I don't mean to sound negative and mean, but they don't. They're there when they can get something, and they're not when they can't. So all I ask is, it doesn't matter. That's not what you're supposed to do, right? At all.
Yeah.
You still have to do what you're supposed to do for your own sanity, your own soul. Save your own soul, right? Could I have just said, no, why would I help that old man? He's going to die a lonely old man. I wouldn't do that, right? Because somewhere along the line, he had protected me at some place, somewhere, right? I was under his roof. It was a shitty, terrible environment roof, had no food, none of that crap. Furniture was never there, no Christmases, no nothing. But I would not allow him to just perish. That's stupid. So again, you must, for your own sake, your own soul, do what you are supposed to do for God's sakes.
No matter what.
No matter what. No matter what.
I did not have any. It was bad. It was
Yeah,
bad.
yeah. I get it. Trust me. So thank you for that. Ted, go ahead. You got your hand up?
Yeah, Coach. Two things real quick. The original name for Bitcoin was Timecoin. And it's basically an acknowledgement that time is the most valuable thing that we have.
Absolutely. Yep, absolutely.
So that's I thought that was interesting. But I wanted to say one of the things that the greatest gifts that you're giving us is as we become more successful, there's this quote that, you should be kind to people because everybody's has their own hard battles.
Yep.
The great thing about what's been happening to me because of the gifts that you've given and the skills that you've given me is it's allowed me to kind of rise above myself. And when I have conversations with people, I really can be present. So So it's not just time, it's the ability to be present with those
Absolutely.
people. And it was so weird because this weekend I was just standing, at the door of a bar, and this lady walked up, and I don't know what it was, but she started talking about her dad being in the hospital, and it was one of those things where just time stood still, and we had
Right.
this great long conversation. I didn't hurry her along.
Yeah.
I listened to her, and I related to her because my dad died of cancer uh, a few years ago, but we did the home hospice thing, and
Right.
we gave him the time
Yep.
that he needs. So when you were talking about time, it really hit a nerve with me, is that take the time, and take the time to be present, because that's the greatest gift that you can give to you and your loved ones.
That's true. That's awesome too, Ted. That's something, that I think about now, because I try to, leave earlier. If you guys remember, I was here all day, every day, never taking breaks. And now I try to give myself time after this. I still end up, but I take more time now, and I couldn't do that before. So it's the same thing, Ted, right? So the more money we get, more freedom, time, it all, like, as soon as we get done, and I got a bunch of stuff to do with admin work, but I'm going to get in my car and I'm going to drive around for an hour. I'm not going to do anything. I might, this is funny. My wife always laughs. I might get in my car and go drive, and I will sit, and I'm not kidding. I'll like drive downtown, Colonial Williamsburg right here, right? I'll drive down there and I'll just sit in the parking lot in my car for an hour and do nothing. Number one, because I can. Number two, it just clears my mind. And number three, I don't have, right? I'm not in front of my computers, because if I'm in front of my computers, I'm constantly working. You guys know that, right? Bruno knows I'm like 24/7. I never quit. So I get away. I could not have done that with my regular job. There's no way I could have got in my car on a Tuesday right at 11:30 and go sit for an hour. Cause my job just before this, I was the vice president. had to be available. Same thing, 24/7. There is no time off. It's 7 days a week. Everybody's calling you. There's no mental breaks. So it's just like this, because I found success too doing this, Ted, just like you found success trading. I found success training. So now I can go, and I can go sit in my car for an hour. What is that worth to all of you? If you weren't at your 9 to 5s right now, I know a lot of you are at home or wherever you're at with me, or you're just listening like a podcast. What is that worth to you? If on a Tuesday at 11 o'clock, I could turn this machine off right now. A Tuesday at 11 o'clock, for the next 2 or 3 hours, I could just go sit in my car. What is that worth to you? Right? It's a lot. I'm telling you. Some of you would give anything you have to be able to do that, and to not worry when you come back. Right? That's the biggest thing. I'm not going to come back to worry. It's then I come home. Right? What would you do for that? And this is what we're trying to help people to get to every day here. Seriously, it's different. It's amazing. Easy Jack, go ahead.
Hey, Coach. Thanks for your time.
Absolutely.
Just like Ted was saying, time is the most valuable thing out there, and I had this goal of a young kid going to New York, being a stockbroker. I had this vision in my mind that I wanted to be that growing up. I had the privilege to go with the business school to go visit some of the biggest trading floors, JP Morgan, Morgan Stanley, but I hated the environment. I hated the people. The people were cold. The environment was cold. I personally work as a hygienist at a dental office in Colorado, and I found my mission to help people just like you help people.
Yep.
I mean, dentistry is one of those things that people are afraid of dentists, right? They're
Right.
afraid of their childhood trauma. Their friend had a bad dentist, so they don't want to trust people.
Yep.
And this is where trust really plays a big part. And I feel like my main goal as a child of being a stockbroker was reignited again with you. Like, not that I wanted to make lots of money. Yeah, I did. I wanted to look good and feel good and,
Sure.
wear those nice suits. But now that I could do that from home and be able to be here for my family, my wife and I, we just had a 6-month-old, And it's not easy coming up with $2,500, right?
That's
It's not
right.
easy coming up with some money when you have a new child and
That's right.
not working as much, so I could be a part of her life. My dad works still to this day, 75 years old. He owns his own business. I've been in the industry of how to sell. You can
Yep.
sell anything. Dentistry is selling. You're selling health. You're selling preventative care.
That's right.
You're selling all those things, right? So
Yep.
I just want to say, I feel like I got lucky when I found you. I haven't been extremely successful yet. I know it takes a lot of practice and patience, and I definitely want to get more involved in VIP Gold and lifetime, all that, right?
Yep.
But
Yep.
financially wise, I officially can't do that yet. I had to have a conversation with my wife and say, hey, these $2,500 that I'm going to spend on this coach for this year
Yep.
is going to be worth it, right? It's going to be worth
Absolutely.
it for us long term. And she was like, you know what? I think you should dive into it, because I'm the type of person that goes into it all in. Even while I'm at work, at lunch, I'm checking in. I may not be speaking, but I'm getting on the calls or the Zooms or whatever. And I was like, I just need to get in there and try it. And I do my journal. I go back to the days that I review my trades, what was successful, what was not successful, what can I do better. I go back to the videos that you have, all the free lessons.
Yep.
Just because I personally can't buy another membership. So when I get upset, not upset, but I get sad that you don't get new members, but it's because there's a lot of members in here already, right?
Right.
So I just want to say thank you for, allowing me to open this chapter, and hopefully it
Absolutely.
allows me to retire. I was just diagnosed with some arthritis in my neck and my spine, so I know dentistry long term for me
Yeah.
won't be an option. Won't be
Right.
an option.
So
So
you just signed up for a VIP.
yearly.
Yeah, you just signed up for that, right?
Yes, sir. Last month.
Yeah. So here's what I'm gonna do for you, right? I'm gonna gift you a VIP Gold to go along with the VIP. That way,
Thanks, Coach.
that way you can get weekend training, right? All the mastermind classes are going to be free, right? I want you to be as successful as you can for that young, beautiful family. We're going to take care of you. Bruno, if you do me
That's awesome.
Yeah, Bruno, if you do me a favor.
Just need a ticket.
Yep. Just Bruno, can you open the ticket and tag him in it?
Yeah,
it's Easy Jack, period.
It was Bear Cub, right?
No, Easy Jack.
Oh, Easy Jack.
Yep.
Got it.
Thanks, Coach. I appreciate you, man. That's a beautiful thing, man. I applied for FMLA time this year, so I'm spending more time here at home, helping my wife who works in accounting. I mean, she's extremely busy, so she definitely needs my help. And I feel like I get upset when I'm not there for my patients. I have patients that only want to see me, so I'm taking this sacrifice not only away from my patients, but also to take care of my own family. So I really do appreciate your kindness.
Yeah, absolutely, man. And thank you for being here. We appreciate it. And congratulations on that new beautiful baby. That's awesome.
Awesome. Thank you, Coach. I appreciate you.
Yep, you got it. Let's see. One more hand. Aaron, go ahead, Aaron.
Yeah, real quick, man. Yeah, I just thank you for your time, but also just listening to everybody is just also just the reflection of all the work and time that you've been putting into this, even in your 30 years, but the sacrifice of just being as vulnerable as you are, laying everything out on the line, and going live and just opening up your doors and letting everybody appear and let the haters to be here, let the love be here. But love always wins, and like you said, you gotta have kindness, love, care, and compassion. So again, I just want to thank you for your time. I lost everything in 2019, right before COVID and a house fire.
Yeah,
Had
that's
my
rough.
1966 truck and my garage stuff, so I put the rest of it in a little warehouse. And I've been traveling, helping everybody I've been, running into. But I traveled America for a year and a half, and now I'm down here in Mexico, donating my time to an animal sanctuary. So,
Oh, that's awesome.
yeah, man. So I just really appreciate it, and echoing what everybody else is saying. And the community is just a reflection of what you've been building and a reflection of who you are and stuff. So I really do appreciate who you are and all the time that you sacrificed to give back to us. And yeah, much appreciated, man.
Absolutely. Thank you, Aaron. I appreciate it.
Love your face.
Love your face too. I appreciate all you guys. Thank you so much. I mean, I didn't mean for us to go into all this today. You guys know a lot of days we'll trade, and I know some people get upset. Why aren't you just talking about stocks? And I get it. I try to cater to the many, right, instead of the few, but I've been gone for a couple of days, so that's probably why I got a little more emotional with everybody. But I missed you guys. You guys know I never take time off. That's not really my style. I want to be here with you as much as I possibly can. But great job to the moderators while I was gone, Bruno and the team. You guys are absolutely phenomenal. I never worry anymore when I do just say, man, I need a break today. I never had that before, probably any time in my life. I don't think ever. No, never. I've never in my life, because even with my own companies and managing everything before that, and I've never been able to just say I want to take a day off. And I think that's probably where my mindset is about not taking days off. But I've never been in a place where I was ever comfortable to leave what I have for other people, and I know I'm going to be okay. And I feel like I'm okay here. If I said I want to take a week off, I wouldn't feel I feel like I'm in great hands with the moderators and the community we have. So thank you guys again. So real quick, I'm going to sign off, but I want to thank, these are the people that make this possible. These are the people that I've entrusted, right, with this multi-million-dollar business every day. These are the people, right, that hold the keys to this kingdom, man. I thank you guys, and I appreciate you every day. Bruno, Carter, Lee, Dawn, Paul at the beach, Miranda, Johan, unhappily a housewife, Eric's Moto, DT the female trucker, Luke Sidewalker, Jimmy, Brady, David, Mark, Nate, Ted, and Mark McSee. Man, I appreciate you guys more than you will ever know. I thank you so much every day. Thank you to all my military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. Thank you so much. We appreciate you guys every day. Same with all my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and everybody with me. All my truck drivers around the world. There it is. Thank you.
Thank you, Coach. Have a great day. Keep
Corbin,
easy,
do you just drive around like waiting for that signal?
dude, I make sure I'm in my truck. And
He's
if
like,
I
I
happen to
can
not be
never go
driving
on
that
break.
day, I'm asking somebody else to do it for me.
Oh, you are awesome, man. We thank you so much. You are so cool. But
Thanks,
again,
brother.
yeah, thank you. Thank you again, everybody. Another amazing day. Hopefully you guys learned something. You made some money, or both would be great. Make sure you always follow the rules. All trades are risky, so use your stops on each and every trade, but follow those golden rules. We appreciate everybody being here. Make sure you guys click that follow. Don't forget, at 4:30 tonight, we'll all be over on YouTube. All you got to do is go to YouTube and type in American Dream Trading. Hit that subscribe button. Every day at 4:30 Eastern, you'll see the entire aftermarket crew is over there. They always have new people up on that panel. There's always new discussions. They're training. They're talking about trades they made, things that are happening, right? They're just having a good time over there. So please make sure you join Dawn and the crew over there. And again, thank you to all my moderators for allowing me to take a little bit of time off. It was much needed. I think I have a doctor's appointment next Tuesday. I don't know. I'll get with my boss, my wife, and figure out what I have, but I'll try to let you guys know ahead of time. But other than that, you guys are awesome. Everybody have an amazing day. Thank you so much for being here. Every day I get to show up, I feel blessed, grateful, and humbled to work with all of you. Thank you guys. I appreciate it and love your faces.
See you, Coach.
Thank you so much, Coach. Love you too.
Absolutely. Thank you, DT part-timer, for showing up late.
Hey, you know what? I'm so sorry, sir.
We missed you. Thank you for being here, man. We appreciate you.
Miss you too. You know, I'm always trying to be here on time, especially, you know what I mean, for you. Like, I'm forever indebted to you. And I just want to thank you so much